Hello everyone, welcome back with me Santana. In this video, I want to answer the question from Intro to Linguistics. The first question is, what is meant by arbitrary? My answer is, in linguistics, arbitrariness is the absence of any natural or necessary connection between a word meaning and its sound or form. An antithesis to sound symbolism, which does exhibition and apparent connection between sound and sense. Arbitrariness is one of the characteristic shares between all language. The second question is, what is the difference of phonemics and phonetics? My answer is, phonemics or phonology is the study of the distribution or sound system in human language. A phoneme is a particular set of sound products in a particular language and distinguishable by native speaker of that language from other or setups sound in that language. And phonetics, on the other hand, is simply the physiological and acoustic study or speech sound, offering all sound used in all language and relying only on the physical and physiological characteristic of the sound, without regards to their system patterns in various languages. And the third question is, please explain one of the words coinage process. My answer is, coinage process is an invention of totally new words, extensions of a name of a product from a specific reference to more general one. Coinage process as the way of creating the new word with referring to the most topical sorts which are invented to the trade names for certain commercial products. Then it becomes the general terms used in society. As the example are the commercial products such as Aqua, Indomie, Soclin, Honda, and so on. These are coinage where there were trade names and then they became actual words. The fourth question is, what do you know about syntax? My answer is, syntax is the proper order of words in phrase or sentence. Syntax is a tool used in writing proper grammatical sentence. The complexity of a right speaker sentence creates a formal or informal level of diction that is presented to its audience. And the last question is, why do you think the knowledge of linguistics is important for you? My answer is, the knowledge of linguistics is very important for me because linguistics help us express our feelings and thoughts. This unique to our species because it is a way to express unique idea and customs within different culture and society. By learning a foreign language, you can understand idea and thoughts that may be different from your own culture. And if I were a teacher, linguistics help teacher convey the origin of words and language, their historical application and their relevance. Combines this approach to teaching language help students gain a better, more in-depth understanding of their assessment and work product expectation. Okay, that's all for my answer. Thank you for watching and say goodbye.